of the Delhi Markaz chief Maulana Saad, who has now released an audio from his hideout. In this audio, he is asking all the Tablighi attendees to cooperate with doctors and authorities for COVID treatment, and this even comes as he continues to evade the probe that the police investigation is currently underway, and this is the latest tape message that Maulana Saad has himself issued, and he has in fact in a way sent out the message. Let's listen in to what he had to say.
میرے عزیز دوستوں اور بزرگوں بھائیوں، ہر خیر و شر کا اللہ ہی خالق اور مالک ہے. ہر حال تنہا اللہ کے حکم سے آتا ہے. ہر حال کے آنے کا تعلق براہ راست اعمال سے ہے. اس وقت سارا عالم ایک وبا کا شکار ہے، اور یہ بات یقینی ہے کہ یہ وبا ہمارے برے اعمال کی بدلی ہوئی صورت ہے. جب بندہ اپنے بنانے والے سے دور ہو جاتا ہے تو بنانے والا اس کو اپنے قریب لانے کے لیے اس پر حالات لاتا ہے. اس لیے ایک اہم درخواست کرنی ہے. اس وبا سے نمٹنے کے لیے ضروری ہے کہ دعوت و تبلیغ سے وابستہ افراد جہاں کہیں بھی ہیں اور ضلع کی انتظامیہ اور حکومت ان کو ٹیسٹ کرنے یا کوارنٹائن کرنے کے لیے لے جانا چاہتی ہے تو انتظامیہ کا اس میں پورا تعاون کریں، انتظامیہ کا پورا ساتھ دیں. کسی بھی بیماری کا علاج کرنا انتہائی ضروری ہے، اس لیے اس کا اہتمام کریں اور اللہ رب العزت کی طرف دعا اور صدقات اور رات کے قیام اور تہجد اور ساعۃ الحاجہ کے ذریعے متوجہ رہیں. نیز اپنے ضرورت مند پڑوسیوں کا خیال کریں. کوئی ہمارا پڑوسی بھوکا نہ سوئے. ہر ایک کی اپنی طاقت کے بقدر مدد کریں. جب ہم لوگ آپس میں ایک دوسرے کے ساتھ بھائی چارگی سے ایک دوسرے کے ساتھ ہمدردی سے پیش آئیں گے تو اللہ رب العزت ہمارا بنانے والا ہمارے ساتھ نرمی کا رحم کا معاملہ فرمائیں گے.
Let's go across to my colleague Aishwarya Kapoor, who's joining us live from the newsroom. So Aishwarya, this is the latest audio tape message that has been released by the Delhi Markaz chief Maulana Saad, and he is urging people in a way to cooperate with doctors as well as the authorities for COVID treatments. How do we really read or comprehend this message that has been come out even as he continues to evade the probe by the authorities?
Richa, desperate, or it is a desperate measure of a cover-up. The damage has been done. More than 4,000 people even today. Seven individuals have been found corona positive in Saharanpur. They have said to have links with the Jamaat. So this man, whose audio whom we've just heard, this is a desperate cover-up being done by this man called Saad, who should not be called a Maulana anymore, because the fact of the matter is that it's because of his Jamaat in the Nizamuddin area, we have seen this kind of a meteorical rise in the corona positive patient, to the point that even Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had to say today that only and only because of Markaz, Delhi has seen this spike in numbers. So it's after this, after the pressure has been built up, Delhi police is still looking for him. If he is that genuine, why is he not coming out? He's still in a hideout. He's not coming out in front of the Delhi police. He's still running. There are teams looking out for it. Republic Media Network's team has found him where he was hiding. And then he has said to have changed his location, changed his hideout. So such a desperate man called Saad, he is now issuing several audio tapes. This is just a desperate measure. Now he is under pressure. Now he is saying help. Now he is saying do your corona test. Now he is saying don't go out now when damage has been done. More than 4,000 people, Richa, across the country. We have state by state, right from Tamil Nadu, which ranges over 79% cases from this Jamaat, till the state of Uttar Pradesh, more than 59%. That's the figure. That's the figure. This man should be behind bars, and he knows that. That's the only reason, because of pressure building up from not one but several state governments, this man is now issuing these kind of audios, these kind of fake audios from his hideout, because he knows the law will catch up. And that's when he'll be in trouble. That's why he's trying to build up his legal case. If you very systematically try to see, he's trying to build up his legal case. That I issued an audio, but when is the audio being issued? When the damage has been done. He has played with human lives. People who attended his Jamaat went away, went into hideouts. Rohingyas are still missing. They have not gone back to their camps. People have not gone back to their houses. They are in hiding. Why? Because this man told so. People have inadvertently, these people were not aware, but this man was. He's a well-educated guy, runs in a crore rupees Mercedes, has a massive farmhouse in western Uttar Pradesh. He knows. But he knowingly allowed these people and told them to go into hideout. And now when the pressure of the law is catching up, he's issuing deliberately, just to build up his legal case, these kind of audios.
Absolutely. In fact, Aishwarya, stay with us. We listen into that audio tape that has been issued by the Delhi Markaz Chief Maulana Saad himself, and then we'll also take a word from Shravan.
بھائیو ہر خیر و شر کا اللہ ہی خالق اور مالک ہے. ہر حال تنہا اللہ کے حکم سے آتا ہے. ہر حال کے آنے کا تعلق براہ راست اعمال سے ہے. اس وقت سارا عالم ایک وبا کا شکار ہے، اور یہ بات یقینی ہے کہ یہ وبا ہمارے برے اعمال کی بدلی ہوئی صورت ہے. جب بندہ اپنے بنانے والے سے دور ہو جاتا ہے تو بنانے والا اس کو اپنے قریب لانے کے لیے اس پر حالات لاتا ہے. اس لیے ایک اہم درخواست کرنی ہے. اس وبا سے نمٹنے کے لیے ضروری ہے کہ دعوت و تبلیغ سے وابستہ افراد جہاں کہیں بھی ہیں اور ضلع کی انتظامیہ اور حکومت ان کو ٹیسٹ کرنے یا کوارنٹائن کرنے کے لیے لے جانا چاہتی ہے تو انتظامیہ کا اس میں پورا تعاون کریں، انتظامیہ کا پورا ساتھ دیں. کسی بھی بیماری کا علاج کرنا انتہائی ضروری ہے، اس لیے اس کا اہتمام کریں اور اللہ رب العزت کی طرف دعا اور صدقات اور رات کے قیام اور تہجد اور صلاۃ الحاجہ کے ذریعے متوجہ رہیں. نیز اپنے ضرورت مند پڑوسیوں کا خیال کریں. کوئی ہمارا پڑوسی بھوکا نہ سوئے. ہر ایک کی اپنی طاقت کے بقدر مدد کریں. جب ہم لوگ آپس میں ایک دوسرے کے ساتھ بھائی چارگی سے ایک دوسرے کے ساتھ ہمدردی سے پیش آئیں گے تو اللہ رب العزت ہمارا بنانے والا ہمارے ساتھ نرمی کا رحم کا معاملہ فرمائیں گے.
Let's go across to my colleague Shravan Sen, who's over the phone line. So Shravan, how do we really comprehend and read this audio message that has been released by the Delhi Markaz Chief Maulana Saad himself while he remains in the hideout? He's urging people to cooperate with doctors and the authorities and get themselves treated for COVID. Take us through how this comes even as he continues to evade the probe by the authorities that have been urged by them constantly against the Markaz Chief.
Well, Richard, let's make no mistake about the fact that this is a well-crafted strategy on part of Maulana Saad, given the fact that this is the second such audio which is on similar lines where he's basically exhorting his followers to ensure that they cooperate with the police. Remember, this at a time when multiple foreign tablighis are still haven't reported before the police, because this is the deadline that was issued by the police that they need to immediately report, but they haven't done so far. The number stands roughly anything between 400 to 500, and that is one of the major concerns of almost all state governments. Having said that, this is the same person who had also released another audio. This was just around the time when the Markaz event actually took place, who did at that point in time made a mockery of the lockdown measures, and not just that, also the kind of attempts that were made by the state government at that point in time to try and control or fight the coronavirus pandemic. He had mocked it at that point in time. Having said that, given the fact that right now there have been multiple state polices that are already looking into the role played by the Markaz Chief, and also now central financial investigative agencies are also, they've started their independent probe altogether. That has only stepped up the heat against Markaz Chief, and that this is a clear reflection of the same. And that's the reason why you're looking at two similar such audios now being released by Maulana Saad, where he's asking his followers to cooperate with the police, to cooperate with the agencies, and try and ensure that he sends out this message that he is not being running away from the probe, that he is not being not in hiding. But having said that, he hasn't really responded to the questions that have been posed by the Delhi Police Crime Branch. For instance, 26 questions were asked,
Right.
to which he has only replied by saying that he is in self-quarantine and he's not in a position to join the probe.
All right. Thank you so much, Shravan and Aishwarya, for giving us those details on this entire issue of another audio tape, an audio message that has been released by the Markaz chief himself.